let's see what we can do here. It sucks that you guys can't hear that. I gotta play it in my own head. I'm pausing it because I can't think about what I should or shouldn't say. And okay, this is serious, guys. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a black piece that goes in here too. This piece. Yeah, so let's clip this. It says Mando Studio on here. Okay. So that goes in below this ring. Goes in here. Ah, it's a shame they won't ever see their logo. Okay. The only shame being that okay, so there's a screw in here already. I'll line this up. Okay. Looks like everything is lining up according to Hoyle. Maybe not. Man, this is jank. Oh boy. Alright, well that doesn't line up. So now we gotta figure out which one does. Dope. Let's have a screw fly out of there. I'm dropping stuff all over the place. Alright. Let's see if we can get this off of here. Okay. I know that it was like this side. Let's start with this hole. There we go. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, this one doesn't line up. There's only one way that this goes. And apparently that's it. Hey, you gotta line up the different screw holes here, and you can be off by a little bit, and it does make a difference. So let's okay. Alright. Let's throw this in there. Let's throw this in there and see where we end up. Yeah, it looks good. Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna two of those fall out. And take this third one. I think it goes right here. We're gonna bump the camera again. Sorry, everybody. I know I'm not very talkative right now. Sorry about that. It's a little late. No. 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 Oh man, this is gonna be tricky because it's gonna be tricky. You gotta line up. Fuck. Of course. Let's go get this lined up. Okay. So we're gonna put this on here, something like that, and then no. Okay. Now we need to figure out where this lines up. One. Nope. Nope. Okay. All right. Shh.
Sorry.
Got the peanut gallery over here behind me, playing games, being loud. I see you. Okay. Yeah, so this is the fun part. Oh God. Yeah, this is not going well. Really gonna have to figure out what's going on here. Gotta align these. Okay. So it goes like this. I don't think it really matters which one it goes by. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be the worst part of it here, is trying to get these top screws down on these bottom screws. I can tell you that much. I think I got 2 out of the 3. It's like impossible to see in there. Oh, snap. I feel like I just got all 3. I missed this last one. Dang it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna pause this and I'll get this done and then I'll bring you back. Alright, guys, it's time for a little quick smoke break here. Vaping. But, you know. Yeah, I'm inhaling metal in my lungs, right? Whatever. So, let's get out our USB port. Let's plug it into my 5-port hub here. Let's get some light on the situation here. How did I have this? Over here. Alright. Get the light on. A little extra light. Tweak that a little bit. There we go. So, looking pretty good. I got the 3 screws in here. They're the you know, tapered, in this case tapered machine screw. As tight as I want to get it. It looks like it's all flat. I mean, looks pretty cool. See, I just move this piece over, which I can't because I'm near a screw. Oh, big head. Let's hit you guys again. My damn big head. Let's see here. If we get these lined up, then yeah, we won't have to use any hot glue or anything, you know. So, not to worry if you. There we go. Not to worry if you break one of these. The long ones line up with the coils here, so just get it, you know, centered up. Okay. Centered. Okay, centered. Okay. And looks pretty good, so I'm gonna just tighten these up for the final time here. You can hear it crunchy. Alright. So, anybody get one of those new Nintendo Game & Watches? I bought one right when it came out on Amazon. I have, you know, 6 or 7 of the originals, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get one more. You know, the new style. That kind of like makes my collection complete. Yes and no. So we got this. Yeah, let's see how this looks. This should be pretty cool. All right, plugging her in. Oh boy. Oh, dude. Again, let's turn off some of this light here. Yeah, let's turn off this light. Oh, see? Look at that. It looks just like Tony Stark's arc reactor. It's pretty good. We're not quite finished, but we're pretty close here. So let's turn the lights back on. That's a pretty good shot for the intro there. Turn that on. Whoop. See? Alright. So let's flip the switch. I'll turn this off. Unplug it. We'll leave this plugged in, but okay, so what's next? So we did up to here. Oh, so this ring here, this one. Take that out, mirror upwards, and some sort of adhesive tape. There's three pieces, and it kind of goes down in here. So let's take this out. There's some bends in this thing too. If you looked at, it showed it bent upwards, like bent up and then bent over. So That's what we're gonna do. And it said mirror side up, so I'm assuming that means shiny side up. So let's get this out of here. Let's take a look at this. Oh, it's the one ring, and then an adhesive ring, and then this piece, and then the 3 pieces. So you can see here we got our. This is this nice. So here, the mirror side up. That's this piece. All right. Let's get to clipping. Let's see if we can. Okay. All right.